My name is Nelson Yang, and I am the Senior Advisor for the International Patent Business Solutions Group here at the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Although we are not together in person, I am thankful to be part of this event. I would like to thank everyone whose hard work and planning made this event possible. I would specifically like to thank the Korean Intellectual Property Office and the Korea Institute of Patent Information for all of their hard work planning and coordinating this successful event. I am pleased to present on USPTO's provision and use of IP data, and I will also briefly highlight the different datasets available here at the USPTO. I would like to start my presentation by touching briefly on the importance of data and data provision. When thinking about IP data, such as patent data, there are some benefits we gain from making this type of data more widely available. This includes an increased awareness that enables applicants and other patent professionals to have a better understanding of the patent landscape so that they can develop their IP strategy more effectively. Consistency is also important, as we want to make sure that we are all looking at the same set of data, no matter where in the world we are. And of course, the availability of the patent data can help spur innovation. At the USPTO, we have been evaluating ways we can make our IP data more readily available to people so that they can more efficiently and effectively leverage this information. This requires us to look at not just how we make patent data available to the public, but also how we take in data. This may be in the form of filings, and also how we handle and present data throughout prosecution. We also want to discuss briefly how we handle data through bulk processes and services. When talking about patent data, often the way patent data is ingested impacts how the data is handled and what can be done with the data downstream. As a result, it is beneficial to take a look at the way this patent data is created, such as through application filings. As part of our efforts in improving the handling of application filings, we have been modernizing our e-filing processes and systems. Patent Center is the USPTO's next generation system for filing and managing patent applications that will replace EFS Web and PAIR. Patent Center is different from the EFS Web and PAIR systems in that there is a single user interface for both filing and managing patent applications. Patent Center uses current technology that allows it to be integrated with our latest systems. You may log into Patent Center using your USPTO.gov account and have access based on your role as a practitioner, practitioner support, or as well as independent inventors and anonymous users. Improvements in Patent Center include the ability to retrieve and download your submitted documents in PDF format, as well as DOCX and XML formats in a single interface. You may upload multiple documents at once using the drag and drop feature for your application. You also have the ability to upload a multi-section document containing the specification, claims, and abstract in DOCX format. Most uploaded documents include intuitive document codes and descriptions that describe each document or section type. The Patent Center user interface also has an updated look and feel. You may also save your submissions at any time so that you can return and complete your filing at your convenience. I would like to talk a bit more about the benefits of filing in DOCX. In particular, DOCX submissions eliminate the need for users to convert their Word documents into PDF format. We are also able to provide functionality that allows for sections to be detected in a DOCX uploaded document, such that the specification, claim, and abstract in a single file are automatically split. Each detected section is automatically assigned a document code, which saves processing time for the user. This makes it easier for both the examiners and applicants to identify the appropriate information they need. Patent Center is also able to provide some content-based validations on DOCX files, such as specification paragraph numbering detection, independent and dependent claim count, duplicate or missing claim number detection, improper multiple claim dependency, and also abstract word count. This allows for fewer minor issues that need to be addressed during the examination process, allowing for more time to to be dedicated to the examination on the merits of the user's application. Before I talk about the next system, Global Dossier, I wanted to speak briefly about the filings around the world. As you can see here in the key IP5 statistical indicators slide, there's a significant amount of application filings across the IP5 offices. Often, the same invention may be filed by an applicant at multiple different offices. By providing ways to share the work done on these applications, we are hopefully able to provide more consistency during the prosecution process, and hopefully also more consistency in the scope of protection globally. This was one of the driving factors behind the Global Dossier initiative. With Global Dossier, a user is able to get consolidated access to patent family data from around the world, allowing them to view related applications from multiple IP offices in real time and also see relevant art that was cited in those applications. Global Dossier also provides English machine translations of office actions, as well as other documents in these applications, so that users can better review the work that is done. One of the main features of Global Dossier is the ability to view patent families comprising an application, and all the related applications that share a common priority with that application. Here's a quick view of how a patent family would be presented in Global Dossier. The Global Dossier also provides functionality that helps users, including filtering, sorting, and indicators that help let users know when an office action is available in a particular application. If a user would like to look into the dossier or file wrapper of a particular application, they are able to do so, as you can see here. This allows users to monitor the progress of applications, as well as to view specific documents that may be relevant to their needs. We also allow users to quickly view references that have been cited in the patent family, allowing them to get a more complete picture of the prosecution of the patent family, as well as to understand the state of the art surrounding the technology that's discussed within that patent family. We also provide access to patent data through bulk and machine-to-machine services. This allows our users to look at data in specific ways that may be relevant to their needs, or to be able to perform analysis on our data sets that may be specific to things that they are looking for. One service I would like to touch briefly on is assignment search, where we have application programming interfaces, or APIs, which our users can leverage to get assignment information through machine-to-machine services. We also provide user interfaces where they can manually perform bulk searches as well. Likewise, with Patent Trial Appeal Board data services, we allow users to view and access PTAB proceedings through their own systems that can call our PTAB APIs. We are also working to provide insights into where US patent applications are originating. This Patents View system is a service where we have taken the data we have and provide some additional analysis, such as providing insights as to potential geographic locations of US applicants, as well as some additional information. I realize that I went through a lot of these systems very quickly, so if people would like to get further information about the systems I have discussed, we do have resources that you can take advantage of for additional information. As you can see here, these include information on how to contact the Electronic Business Center, or EBC, the Global Dossier support, and also various points of interest related to the data that the USPTO provides. I hope this information is helpful, and I want to thank you very much for your time.